In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best My Patriot supply promo codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, you have to go to your web browser and search for My Patriot supply discount code. So right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this website, which is retrieve.com. And as you can see right here, we have some different types of promo codes and deals that you can choose from. And for example, if you want to select this one with 5% off your item, all you have to do is select copy code right here. And this is your promo code. So if you use this discount code on your next purchase, you should be able to get that discount. Also, if you go to this website, which is clickOnBirds.com, right here we have some other deals and promo codes that we can use. And for example, if you want to get this 10% off your next purchase, all you have to do is select your code, and this is your discount code. So if you're going to use this code on your next purchase, you should be able to get the 5% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.